I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from the stereo.
Hey y'all, welcome back. So you guys, welcome back to another Day in the Life as a Black content creator. So it's Sunday today, so we are on our way to church. So that's about it. Hopefully we'll have some more surprises this video, but we don't know yet. We're just gonna live life wherever it takes us. So we're on our way to church. Let me show you my outfits, my OOTD. So I got these glasses off of Amazon, and we got a new wig. So yeah, and it's gonna be cold. It's gonna be like 53 degrees, so it's gonna be cold. I think I should have a jacket over this, but I just feel like this outfit's too cute to be adding a jacket, so I probably won't. Protect black people, period. This turtleneck's from Revolve. These leather pants are from Amazon, which is crazy, so I probably will do another video on another Amazon haul. And then I got some boots from, I don't know where. I totally forgot. I really forgot about these boots, but they're just regular black, like, non-slit boots that you wear at work. I don't know why. But yeah, and then I have some gold jewelry. I'm wearing some Dior, Miss Dior perfume. Yeah, this is a vibe, very chill, very like fashion though, because I'm adding a little accessory. I don't usually wear glasses, but these glasses hit with this bag, and it just made my boring outfit like elevated, and then my hair just is the main show. So yeah, that's the outfit. We're going to head out, and I'll see you in a little bit. Bye. So you guys, I'm not editing my vlogs anymore. It's this guy right here. Hey y'all, so we are at the Porsche dealership, and Bae is getting a Porsche truck. What? Okay, this is all new. I've been driving my car since high school, so I never like got an experience of how you buy a car and stuff. So this is just a great experience, and it's exciting and it's scary. Oh my gosh, like a Porsche, girl. I'm gonna have all the Porsche with the nail picks in this thing, okay? What? So excited. It's nerve-wracking. The car is beautiful. Ooh, what should we name her? Because I know it's a girl. She's giving. What should we name her? Leave the name down in the comments. I don't know what to name her, but she is gorgeous, and she's black and sexy. Hey everybody, so today's Monday. It's reset day. Well, not really reset day, but more of like getting all like the administrative stuff done. Of course, if you don't know, I do work for Sice. So on Mondays, I do work on Sice videos, try to catch up on any content for any campaigns. We have meetings on Mondays, so it just gives me like, you know, a day to just focus straight on Sice. And so I'm gonna put 2 hours like on a timer, focused on just creating as much content as I can with the footage that I have for Sice. And I'm working on a Valentine's Day campaign, Black History Month, and Women's Month. So it's gonna be Q1, which is first quarter of campaigns that I'm going to be, you know, working on. And I'm excited and also tired. I already had a nice little morning routine, so I will have that uploaded either before or after this video. It's gonna be, you know, an aesthetic bomb morning routine that I've been putting off, you guys. I've been just waiting, like, I want everything to be perfect. I want this and this, and then weeks and weeks is going by, and I already told myself, like, hey, once I move into this new apartment, I want to do more self-care, more mental health videos, more just talking videos for you guys, because you guys really like those type of videos, and I've been putting it off for it to be perfect. And I'm like, girl, why? Nothing is going to be perfect. Like, literally, if you keep waiting for things to be perfect, it will never be perfect. Like, I was waiting for my hair to be looking right, my clothes and my outfits to look right, and I'm like, you know what? I woke up this morning like, well, yesterday, the pastor, he was talking about use what you have. I'm using what I have. I have an abundance right now, and I'm not even using it. We need to, yeah, because when I had nothing, like literally nothing, I was producing hella content. Now when you know you have the tools, it's like now you feel like everything needs to be perfect. But no, when you don't have anything, or when you do have stuff, you have to just push it out, do what you need to do, use what you have, because God already gave you what you have in order to live in your purpose, period. With that said, it is 8:58. I have to post a TikTok at 9 o'clock. So once 9 o'clock hits, I am focused for 2 hours. We are not going to be checking social media. We're not going to be pausing, no nothing, 2 hours straight. And once that happens, then I can start finishing up my other YouTube video that I am currently producing. I have it on another camera, if you guys can see. So I'm filming 2 YouTube videos at the same time, you know, multitasking, period. And on my phone, you know, queen of multitasking, okay? Let me know if you guys want a video of how I multitask, okay? But anyways, let's start. It's 8:58. We need to change the battery on this camera and then go. Well, I need to change the battery on both cameras and then head in the book. Hey, you guys. Okay, it is almost 10 o'clock at night and we're finally home. We went grocery shopping. Ooh. Yeah, we went grocery shopping to Trader Joe's and Albertsons, and then we also stopped to get some wings because we didn't eat dinner at all. We only ate like a lunch and that's it. So we're gonna watch a movie, eat dinner. Okay, one of you guys put me on, because I told you in the other vlog that I have been struggling with sleeping in and having good rest and whatsoever. So I got recommended red tart cherry juice. I've been seeing this on TikTok as well. It's very high in iron, high in potassium, and high in calcium. So this is supposed to be taken at night. It's supposed to help you sleep really, really good. It's maybe another form of melatonin. I don't know, but so you just sipping it without me trying it first? How you like it?
It's good.
Okay. I put some in a little glass. He already took some sips, so. It reminds me of tomato. Ooh. I don't like that. It's tart. It's real tart, but it tastes good.
Stop the cap.
Not that good. It's the aftertaste. That's really tart. Let's eat some wings. Let's see what we got for the wings. So let's undo this. Oh, how you walk with me. I am yours. Look at how bomb this is. Good morning. Oh.
What did I just see? What did I just see?
Good morning, you guys. It is a few days later. I just took out my braids this morning. About to start on breakfast. What what's the plan for today? The plan for today is to deal with my hair and prepare for Valentine's Day shoot, because it's Valentine's Day coming up this weekend. Well, not really coming up, but a lot of Valentine's Day activities is happening this weekend, which will be in my next vlog. So yeah, today we're gonna have to get this hair done, and yeah, I don't know what else to think. My mind is like at a blur. It's a lot I need to do. It's a lot of adulting things I need to do. I need to call back my doctor's office. Switching over doctors, switching over addresses is so technical for health insurance. Like, why do you have to jump through 1,000 hoops to just change your address so you can get your card, like your health insurance card? Like, that don't make no sense, jumping through way too many hoops. But anyways, I want to show you guys. I was at Trader Joe's, right? Someone recommended me at Trader Joe's to try these, so I'm gonna do it. And I only have a few more minutes to get breakfast started, because Bae is gonna leave for work soon, and you know, I want to make sure both of us eat good. Hey y'all, so I just ran an errand to pick up a pretty little thing package. The way I was driving so slow with this car, I'm shaking like literally 2 freaking hands on the steering wheel. I'm shook. This feels unreal. I feel like I'm dreaming. Like, this whole year is probably like a dream. January's been a dream. Yeah. I don't know what else to say, you guys. Maybe I should pull over and show you guys the little specs, huh? I don't know much about this car yet. I don't know what all these buttons do, but I know this is like calling. I hooked my car up to CarPlay, or I hooked this car up to CarPlay, Apple CarPlay. So I got all my music and stuff with the navigation, all that. We got the timer. All the stuff up here, if you can see, is for the sunroof and the lighting. That's basically it. And then we have like a panoramic sunroof. This stuff is to control all of the temperatures and all of that. Yeah, we have the media, phone, apps, car, navigation. It looks very simple. That's all I know for this car. It has pretty good space in the back and in the trunk. It's giving very much SUV. It's giving very much giving. So yeah, you guys, that's basically the specs of the car. That's all I know about the car, girl. I don't be knowing nothing about cars. So yeah, me and Bae is gonna be sharing this Macan. So it's a Porsche Taycan. It's a Porsche Macan. So it's more of the lighter versions of the cars. More of the more affordable version. It's not really affordable, but more of the like affordable versions of the car of an SUV. We did get it used. It was very lightly used, so this car was a service car. So it's for people who use this car for when their car was in the shop. They use this car as like a rental. So it has 19,000 miles on it. We still have 3 more years of service on this car, so we opted in for that, because maintenance on this car, Jesus, I had to think twice. Hey you guys, so I just finished with one of my meetings. I have one more meeting in about 10 minutes. Finished making some burritos. I got these, I don't know how they're gonna taste, so hopefully they taste really good. But from Trader Joe's, it's the chicken chile verde burritos. I hope there's no beans in this. I don't like no beans. I should have read this before I don't see any beans in the directions, so I should be good. It just finished up. Yeah, we're gonna do some lunch. I just finished doing my makeup, creating some content for the brands, and I got some crazy news, but I won't be able to share it until maybe the next vlog. It might be at the end of this vlog. You know what? Let it be the end of this. Let it be this vlog. It's just gonna be a very long vlog. So I'm excited to share with you guys. But I'm doing a nice little natural beat look. No lashes. I did like just some mascara. And yeah, I have 2 YouTube videos to finish up. It's just gonna be me talking. But 2 videos to finish up, and then 1 short form video of me getting unready. And I should be done with the content. Hey y'all, so I just got off of live on TikTok and I installed this U-part wig. Definitely, I don't know if I'm gonna have the video up before this video or even post this video. I don't know yet, but this is the hair. This is the final results. I actually really like it. It gives me a break with trying to blend in try to blend in lace frontal wigs. So I really like it. So we're gonna put it up, of course, because I need to clean up this house real quick, real brief. You clean it up. So we started the dishwasher. I cleaned up the kitchen kind of. I still need to wipe down everything, but I'll do that later on. So I got these pistachios from Trader Joe's. So it's salt and pepper pistachios. It's very spicy. The pepper is spicy. Okay, let's see what we can make. I was gonna go downstairs, order something. Oh my God. Let's get some dinner, or no, not dinner, but lunch. Hey y'all, so I'm going to stop here on this vlog because you know I want this to be weekly vlogs and I have so much coming up that I don't want it to be extra long. So I am excited to show you guys the following video as well. There's so much happening in my life and I really appreciate you guys coming along the journey with me. Don't forget you guys to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.